But first things first, I say we pull this thing off the trailer and discuss some of the struggles that we had beforehand. Alright, so the stuff I broke yesterday after the race is fixed. Had to weld the wastegate tube back on. Unfortunately, I caught it on the trailer, had the tube angled differently, pulled it off the trailer. Kind of a tough time at the track. Finished off with icing on the cake, but no worries, because I did get to go racing, and at the end of it, I did struggle, but I had fun. So, started off Saturday morning, swapped wastegates. When it made a hit, it was sitting at 6 psi. It was very linear without commanding a wastegate duty cycle. So that fixed the issue of the wastegates. And I will show you in this video how I tested the wastegates as well. Pretty much what I did was this right here went into the side of the wastegate, hooked into this, and I used a leak down tester to see at what psi it was opening at. So, made another hit, commanded the usual boost target. I commanded 17 psi. It would only make 14. So it's pretty much doubling what it was making, because I think it made like 6, 7 on wastegate. So it was pretty much only doubling it. I didn't have springs. So I went and picked up a 4-port Mac valve from Nate. Went to the track, made my first hit. It was stuck on wastegate. It went a 680 at 100, I believe. I'd have to look at the time slip. Felt like a dog, but at least we know what it does on 6 pounds now. And it frustrated me. We came back. I could not figure out the 4-port Mac valve. I was doing it based off the diagrams. Decided, hey, we might as well throw that out the window. So Andrew recommended I just pull all the lines off, and it should double it. Pulled all the lines off. It did double it. Went up to 14 to 15 pounds throughout the pass. And I was back in the bottom 6-second range, the 6.0, 6.1 range in all the passes. Ran good that way. Could have won 3260 foot. Unfortunately, as I went one round and went into the second one, I raced an awesome Corvette, and yeah, that was the swan song. It had nothing for him. He blew past me probably around 330 or a little bit beyond that, and yeah, I just didn't have enough power. But belt popped off during one of the passes. It ran hot, knocked the fan relay off. It worked me to death. But at the end of the night, we pretty much had everything figured out. Obviously didn't have enough power, but had a good time. Got to take the kids for a little drive around the track. Trying to make that a little customary thing now. And, you know, if I'm going to share, hey, I won at Radial Fest and everything went smooth, I might as well share my struggles as well. So here it is. I'm going to show the wastegate testing. Then I'm going to show some of the passes. And I might throw a few pictures in at the end. But I'm going to go ahead and get started working on this thing. I plan on going to Union Hill this Friday. They have another shootout going on. So we're going to get her ready.